A review on the concerns and awareness related to menstrual cycle in women. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The shedding of the uterus lining due to no fertilization of the ovum leading to bleeding is known as menstruation. As a woman plays a vital role in reproduction and other natural, social processes, it is necessary for her to take good care of herself and her body. This article delves into the intricate interplay between the menstrual cycle and various dimensions of female health. Investigating the mental, emotional, and social aspects of self-worth, the present review seeks to uncover the multifaceted nature of this biological phenomenon. Through an amalgamation of extensive literature review and empirical analysis, the study explores how hormonal fluctuations during menstruation contribute to physiological changes, potentially affecting energy levels, exercise routines, and dietary habits. It explores mental health concerns by investigating the potential links between hormonal fluctuations and cognitive processes. Emotional well-being is scrutinized, considering the influence on mood, stress levels, and overall emotional stability. Social dynamics are examined to understand how menses impact interpersonal relations, communication patterns, and societal attitudes and perceptions. Psychological dimensions are explored, seeking insights into the broader implications of menstruation on a female's sense of self and identity. Additionally, it scrutinizes implications on daily activities such as work, education, and leisure pursuits. The physical implications of menstruation have been analyzed, incorporating nutritional measures to assess the impact of energy levels, dietary habits, and overall physical health. Moreover, by integrating nutritive measures, its purpose is to offer practical insights that may inform holistic approaches to female health, fostering awareness and support systems tailored to the diverse needs of women as they navigate the challenges and opportunities associated with menstruation. It has been found that both mental state and well-being and menstrual variations are interrelated. The changes in hormones during periods can affect how a female thinks and feels mentally or physically. Additionally, menstrual difficulties can significantly impact their curricular and co-curricular achievements, parameters related to attendance and societal lifestyle. Again, menstruation can impact the body's nutrient needs. The blood loss during menstruation leads to decreased iron levels, resulting in iron deficiency and anemia if not properly addressed through dietary intake or supplementation. In conclusion, consuming a well-balanced diet with adequate nutrients can help alleviate PMS symptoms. An anti-inflammatory diet can help manage endometriosis pain and inflammation. Including foods rich in antioxidants such as berries, leafy greens, and turmeric, along with omega-3 fatty acids from fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, can be beneficial. Avoiding processed meats, excessive red meat, and high-fat dairy products is recommended. Introduction. Menstruation is a natural process that plays a key role in a woman's health and well-being. It begins in adolescence, usually between the ages of 11 and 15, and continues until menopause. Though it is a normal part of life, many women face discomfort, pain, and irregular cycles. Common problems include cramps, heavy bleeding, and irregular periods. Menstruation is often confused with the menstrual cycle, but they are not the same. Menstruation is just one phase of the full monthly cycle. This cycle is influenced by biological and hormonal changes and can affect a woman's emotional and social life. The term menstruation comes from the Latin word for month, highlighting its connection to the lunar cycle. Understanding the menstrual cycle and its effects helps in improving women's health. This study will explore the physical and emotional symptoms experienced before and during menstruation, and how different factors influence these experiences. Conclusion. Eating the right foods can help reduce menstrual pain and symptoms of conditions like endometriosis and PMS. An anti-inflammatory diet that includes berries, leafy greens, turmeric, and omega-3 rich foods like fish and walnuts can ease inflammation. It's best to avoid processed meats, too much red meat, and high-fat dairy. Whole grains and legumes can improve mood, while calcium helps with bloating and mood swings. Cutting down on salt, caffeine, and alcohol also helps. Along with a healthy diet, regular exercise, good sleep, and managing stress are important. For best results, talk to a healthcare provider or dietitian. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.